Right, hello everyone, and welcome to our daily video on the 8th of February, Wednesday. Now we're in the middle of the week. As you can see, we still have this downfall on the euro dollar. It's breaking down all the support levels. I guess the market, as we discussed this morning with our colleagues here, looks like they're pricing in the volatility in Europe. We'll see how that goes. America, the US, isn't also that stable at the moment, so we'll have to see how the markets are going to go in that direction. But as you can see, euro dollar is just taking a big beating and doesn't look like it's going to be heading up soon. However, this is, let's make this a 4-hour chart. This is a 4-hour chart here. As you can see, the market is still in that support area here, so only, so as you can see, only if it's going to bounce up, it'll be from around this zone where the market is still staying loyal to these lines here, and we'll see how that happens with the euro dollar. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Now the pound dollar made a good leap yesterday, went to the weekly pivot and then kind of popped its head back down, and as you can see, we're at the top of a channel here, so this pullback might be a good push to get back up again. So with the pound dollar, let's take a look on a 4-hour chart. We might see the market just heading back over here for a double top, or even just heading up here to start pulling back down again. So we might have actually a smaller channel within a channel over here, just raising its head up a little bit and then starting to pop its head down. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar, same kind of scenario here. Yesterday we had a good bounce back. This bounce back to our green line here. Now we have some kind of stability today. What to do with this on a 4-hour chart is, there we go. As you can see, the market is just bouncing off in this range. So until if it breaks below this, then you have room to come down. If it breaks above this level here, which might be unlikely because it's already a double top, then you have something to talk about. This is a big fall. Yesterday it just took a beating because there was news coming out of Australia this week, as you might know, and basically it just took a big beating, and now it's just bouncing off that level, so it might continue to fall down. We'll see how that goes. Aussie dollar though, it's a commodity pair, so you'll need to keep an eye on it with gold, silver and so on. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Now dollar yen is trying to hold in there. It still might have a bit of room to pop its head back down here, and if we do this daily, to make it a bit more feasible for a buy, might be that 50% pullback level here. So still 111.30, 110 regions are on the cards before it takes off again. A good sign of this going back up is if it will break above this line here, and then we'll see it going back up again. Let's take a look at the dollar franc. Now dollar franc yesterday hit resistance and pulled back. If we put it on a 4-hour chart, we might see that again today. It's just reached out there, and we might see it coming back down on this channel line here. Or if it breaks up, then obviously you know that we're going to higher highs, and this is going to be completely broken up to the upside, and that means it's already, there we go, as you can see, it's already breaking to the upside, so this has room to go up now. It could be going quite high. As you can see, the dollar franc is in that range there. Okay, so pretty nice breakout here. On the pullbacks, I think this will be good to buy, and the euro dollar will then be obviously good to sell. Let's take a look at the dollar Canadian. Nice little triangle there. If the triangle breaks up, then we've got long to go. If it breaks down, if this resistance holds, it might just pull back again, so you'll have to see if it breaks out above this level here. Let's take a look at the DAX. There we go. Here we are on the DAX again. We drew this line yesterday. If it breaks down, we'll be going down. If it pulls its head back up, then what we'll have is probably a double top and then pulling it back down again. Let's take a look at the SP. Same kind of scenario with the SP 500. Nice double top region there. It's already a side channel here. So if it breaks below here, you're going short, obviously, to test this line again. And let's take a look at gold. Here we are with the gold. Now with gold, we're looking for a good pullback here. There's a nice up move. If we take a look, this is the daily, by the way. If you take a look at the weekly here, I don't think gold's going to be coming all the way up here at all. But on the 4-hour chart, as you can see, the market's starting to stall. This is already a double top. And what we might want to do is just break this and go further down. Okay, and see how that happens in that situation. So if you're following gold, you'll have to wait and see how that happens. Right guys, hope that helps. That's Wednesday for you, and there are not a lot of news coming out this week, unfortunately, but still the market trends are good to follow in the direction they're going. Good luck with your trading.